Healthy foods that make you feel full unlock the secret to curbing cravings and losing weight. Imagine a world where you can eat delicious, satisfying meals and still lose weight. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, pinch yourself because it's real. Today, we're diving into the secrets of healthy eating that will help you feel full and curb those pesky cravings. Are you tired of feeling like a human vacuum cleaner every time you open the fridge? Do you find yourself constantly battling the urge to snack, even when you know you shouldn't? It's a common struggle, and you're not alone. Many people face the same challenge of trying to eat healthily while feeling perpetually hungry. It's like your stomach has a mind of its own. Do you find yourself staring into its brightly lit abyss, hoping some magical, delicious and healthy solution will present itself? Spoiler alert, the fridge fairy isn't real, but the good news is there are plenty of foods out there that can help you feel full and satisfied without packing on the pounds. You just need to know what to look for and how to incorporate them into your diet. Well, stop right there. Stick around because today we're spilling the beans, literally, on healthy foods that fill you up, curb your cravings and help you shed those extra pounds. From protein-packed legumes to fiber-rich vegetables, we'll explore a variety of options that can make a big difference in your diet. And no, you won't have to eat like a rabbit. We're going to deep dive into the delicious world of foods that will not only satisfy your hunger, but will leave you feeling energized and ready to tackle your day. Imagine starting your morning with a nutrient-dense smoothie bowl packed with fresh fruits, nuts and seeds, or enjoying a hearty salad for lunch that keeps you full until dinner. It's like magic, but with vegetables. Get ready to transform your relationship with food. By making smarter choices and understanding the nutritional value of what you eat, you can achieve your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. We'll also share tips on meal planning, portion control, and how to make healthy eating a sustainable part of your lifestyle. So let's get started on this journey to a healthier, happier you. And remember, if you ever feel like giving up, just think of all the delicious food waiting for you. Oats, the breakfast of champions, or as I like to call it, the superhero of breakfast foods. Let's get this started with a bang. And by bang, I mean a hearty bowl of oats. Oats are not just any breakfast. They are the ultimate way to kickstart your day with energy and nutrition. Think of them as the breakfast equivalent of a morning coffee, but without the jitters. Oats are basically breakfast superheroes. They are packed with fiber, a magical little something that keeps you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. This means no more mid-morning hunger pangs that distract you from your work or studies. Or worse, make you consider eating that questionable snack in the back of your drawer. Fiber, my friends, is the key to avoiding those mid-morning cravings that send you raiding the vending machine. It helps in maintaining a steady blood sugar level, which is crucial for keeping your energy levels stable throughout the morning. And let's be honest, no one wants to be the person who gets hangry at 10 a.m. And the best part is, oats are so versatile. You can prepare them in countless ways to suit your taste and dietary needs. Whether you like them sweet or savory, hot or cold, there's an oat recipe out there for you. It's like the Swiss Army knife of breakfast foods. You can whip up a steaming bowl of oatmeal, which is perfect for those chilly mornings when you need something warm and comforting. Add some fresh fruits, nuts and a drizzle of honey, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious meal. It's like a hug in a bowl. Or if you're always on the go, get creative with some overnight oats. Just mix your oats with milk or yogurt, add your favorite toppings, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a ready-to-eat breakfast that you can take with you. It's like having a personal chef, but without the hefty price tag. And for those who have a sweet tooth, you can even indulge your inner pastry chef with some healthy oat cookies. These cookies are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them a guilt-free treat. Because who says you can't have cookies for breakfast? But let's get one thing straight, don't. And I repeat, don't eat them raw. Raw oats can be hard to digest and may cause discomfort. Always cook or soak them before eating. Trust me, your stomach will thank you. Trust me on this one, you'll thank me later. So whether you're looking for a quick breakfast option or something more elaborate, Oats have got you covered. They are nutritious, versatile, and oh so delicious. Make oats a part of your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a breakfast champion. And who doesn't want to be a champion? And let's not forget, oats are also great for those who lead an active lifestyle. They provide a steady release of energy, making them an excellent pre-workout meal. So, fuel up with oats and take on the day with vigor and vitality. Or at least enough energy to get through your morning meeting. Even if you're not into intense workouts, oats can still be your best friend. They help in maintaining a calm and focused mind, which is essential for activities like meditation and yoga. A balanced breakfast with oats can set a positive tone for your entire day. Namaste, oats. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a homemaker, oats can fit seamlessly into your daily routine. They are quick to prepare, easy to customize, and incredibly satisfying. So why not give them a try and see the difference for yourself? Your future self will thank you. In conclusion, oats truly are the breakfast of champions. They offer a perfect blend of taste, nutrition, and convenience. So go ahead and make oats a staple in your breakfast menu. Your body and mind will thank you for it. And who knows, you might just become a morning person. Avocado's nature's butter without the guilt. Next up, we're diving into the creamy, dreamy world of avocados, or as I like to call them, green gold. These green goddesses are not only delicious, but they're loaded with healthy fats. So you can feel fancy and fit. Think of them as nature's butter, but without the guilt trip. And without the cow. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good guacamole? If you don't, we can't be friends. It's the perfect party dip, the ultimate sandwich spread, and the reason I go to parties, and the star of any salad. Move over, lettuce. But remember, sharing is caring. Even if it's hard, don't be that person who hoards all the guacamole. It's just bad form. Keep it classy, people. Chapter 3. Lentils, the unsung heroes of the pantry. Now, let's talk lentils. These little legumes are the underdogs of the food world. They're cheap, they're filling, and they're loaded with protein. It's like finding a treasure chest in your pantry. What more could you ask for? Maybe a lentil that does your laundry? Lentils are like the reliable friend who's always there for you no matter what. And they never borrow your clothes. They're not flashy or trendy, but they get the job done. Like a superhero in disguise. Plus, they don't judge you for not being able to pronounce quinoa correctly. We've all been there, and quinoa. You get the point. So, next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on lentils. Your future self will high-five you, your stomach will thank you, and maybe even write you a thank you note. Chapter 4. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty. Now let's talk about nuts and seeds. These little guys are small but mighty, kind of like that friend who always carries snacks in their bag. You know the one, they're packed with healthy fats, protein and fibre, making them the perfect snack to tide you over between meals. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, chia seeds, flax seeds. The list goes on and on. It's like a nutty version of Pokemon. Gotta eat 'em all. But a word of caution, don't go nuts with the nuts. They're healthy, but calories can add up faster than you can say almond butter. Seriously, try it. So enjoy them in moderation, you hear, or you'll be in a nutty situation. Chapter 6. Greek yogurt, the MVP of snacks. Or, as I like to call it, the snack that thinks it's a meal. And last but not least, let's talk about Greek yogurt. The snack that's so good, it should come with a cape. This creamy delight is the MVP of snacks. Seriously, it's like the Tom Brady of the snack world. It's high in protein, low in fat, and oh so versatile. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of the dairy aisle. You can eat it plain, if you're into that sort of thing. Top it with fruit and granola. And suddenly you're a gourmet chef. Or even use it as a healthier substitute for sour cream in recipes. Your tacos will never know the difference. And the best part is it's the closest you'll get to dessert while still being healthy. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but without the cake, just a drizzle of honey and some fresh berries. and you've got yourself a snack that's practically a vacation in a bowl, a guilt-free treat that will satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your diet. Because who needs guilt when you've got Greek yogurt? Outro, your journey to a healthier you starts now. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring. Remember, every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle counts. Whether it's choosing a fresh fruit over a sugary snack or adding more vegetables to your meals, these little changes can make a big difference over time. And hey, if you accidentally eat a donut, just call it a cheat day and move on. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the links in the description to watch our other videos. We have a wide range of content designed to help you on your journey to better health. From easy-to-follow recipes to in-depth nutritional advice, there's something for everyone. Our goal is to provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to make healthier choices every day. And yes, we even have a video on how to make kale taste good. Miracles do happen. They're packed with more tips you'll love. Discover new and exciting ways to incorporate nutritious foods into your diet. Learn how to make delicious meals that are not only good for you, but also taste amazing. We believe that eating healthy should be enjoyable and satisfying, and we're here to show you how. Because let's face it, nobody wants to eat cardboard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your journey to better health starts here. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos and updates. Join our community of health enthusiasts and share your own tips and experiences in the comments. We love hearing from you and learning about your personal health journeys. And who knows, you might even find a new best friend who also hates Brussels sprouts. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. There are countless ways to make nutritious meals exciting and flavorful. Experiment with different ingredients, try new recipes, and don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. The more you explore, the more you'll discover how enjoyable healthy eating can be. And if all else fails, just add avocado. It's basically magic. It's about finding foods you love that love you back. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, and choose those that give you energy and make you feel good. Your body is unique, and what works for someone else might not work for you. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. And remember, chocolate is technically a vegetable, right? And trust me, your body will thank you for it. When you nourish your body with the right foods, you'll notice a difference in how you feel. More energy, better mood, and improved overall health are just some of the benefits you can expect. It's all about making choices that support your well-being. Plus, you'll have more energy to binge-watch your favorite shows. Win-win. And remember, the fridge light doesn't turn on just to tempt you. It's there to remind you to make better choices. Stock your fridge with healthy options so that when hunger strikes, you have nutritious choices at your fingertips. Preparation is key to maintaining a healthy diet, so take the time to plan and prepare your meals in advance. Because let's be honest, nobody makes good decisions when they're hungry. See you in the next video. We can't wait to continue this journey with you. Stay tuned for more tips, recipes, and inspiration to help you live your healthiest life. Until then, take care and keep making those positive changes. Your future self will thank you. And remember, if you can't pronounce it, you probably shouldn't eat it.